How to make a very simple walking animation in Blender. Our walking animation will consist of 30 frames. First, turn on auto keying. Let's animate the left leg first. Go to frame 1. Move your left foot forward. Copy the pose and place it on frame 30. Place cursor on frame 15, and move your left foot back. Drag cursor to frame 22. Lift up a little and rotate your left leg. Now let's animate the right leg. Go back to frame 1. Move your right foot back. Copy the pose, move the cursor to frame 30 and paste the pose. Now go to frame 15 and move your right foot forward. Drag cursor to frame 8. Lift up a little and rotate your right leg. That's all, your walking animation is ready. In my opinion, such a simple animation is suitable for stylized characters.